Please watch to the end. Comment and respond to other people's comments.
Our coverage of a UPS driver accused of shooting at vehicles on I-5 this summer. Kenneth Ayers had an arraignment today at the Jackson County Courthouse after being indicted on 34 counts of various criminal charges. Ayers is accused of shooting at several vehicles on I-5 during the summer across 3 counties. One woman was actually shot as well. Now, that shot brought an attempted murder charge, along with weapons charges against Ayers. Now, he is expected to appear in court again on December 21st.
Since May of last year, Newswatch 12 has followed the story of the former UPS driver who shot at multiple vehicles along the I-5. And today, that driver was sentenced to 20 years in prison. Thanks for joining us. I'm Brian Ward.
And I'm Alicia Rubin. Though several victims were either in the courtroom or called in to testify today, Ayers decided with his lawyer that he would not speak regarding the crimes he committed, and he is now facing 20 years in the Oregon Department of Corrections. The Roseburg shooter shot along the I-5 from May through August of last year. Now, during the investigation, a number of victims told police that they had been driving near a semi-truck when the shootings happened. Today, those victims came to the courtroom to tell their story. Most of them were able to dodge Ayers' bullets, but one woman wasn't able to and finds herself dealing with unbearable pain.
When I think back to that day, I think if the bullet had been 2 inches to the left, 2 inches up, we could be in a whole other place and I couldn't be standing here. Thankfully, I'm still here, but I still have that lifelong reminder, bullet in my arm.
Spangler, who you see there, is the mother of 5, a 4th grade teacher, and says the bullet is still lodged in the bone of her shoulder. She frequently goes to physical therapy on top of other medical visits and emotional therapy, as she and her family are scared to be inside the car. The terms of Ayers' post-prison supervision are still being determined, but most of the charges carried supervision terms of 1 to 3 years. There will also be a hearing on restitution for the victims to be held at a later date.